Hello and welcome. We have another question. Today we have 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 40. Let us go ahead and solve for the value of x. You can pause the video here and solve the question. Let me know your answer in the comments, or you can follow along as I solve. Solution. So I have 5 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 40. We're to find the value of x. So now what we have here is the same as 5 raised to the power x divided by 5 squared equals 40. So we have that 5 raised to the power x, 5 squared is 25, is equal to 40. 40 is the same thing as 40 over 1. So now when we cross multiply, we have 5 raised to the power x times 1 equals 40 times 25. Now this is 5 raised to the power x equals 40 times 25. Now to find the value of x from here, we supply log to both sides. Right, so now we have log of 5 raised to the power x equals log of 40 times 25. Okay, now so this is the same as log of 5 raised to the power x equals log of 40 plus log of 25. That's from the log rule. It states that log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. Okay, that's how we got this. So now we have log 5 raised to the power x equals log 40 plus log of 25. Okay, so let us break down 40 and 25 that we have on the right hand side. So we have log of 5 raised to the power x equals 40 is the same thing as 5 times 8. Okay, plus, and 25 is the same thing as 5 squared. Now, so what we have is log of 5 raised to the power x equals log of 5 times 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 squared. So we have different log rules going on here. We have that log of a dot b, like we did earlier, is the same thing as log of a plus log of b. And we have that log of a raised to the power b is equal to b log of a. So therefore we have log of 5 raised to the power x equals log of 5 plus log of 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 raised to the power 2, and let us just rewrite this too. We'll rewrite them as 3 log 2 and 2 log 5. Okay, better. So now we have log 5 raised to the power x equals log of 5 plus 3 log 2 plus 2 log of 5. Now we're going to divide on the left hand side as well. We move the x to the side as well. Okay, so now it's making more sense. So next thing to do would be to divide both sides by log of 5. That cancels out. So x is equal to, we're going to write the right hand side into standalone fractions. So we have log 5 divided by log 5 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 5 plus 2 log 5 divided by log 5. So now log 5 cancels out here, 1, log 5 cancels out here, 1, 2 times 1 will give us 2. So we have x equals 1 plus 3 log of 2 divided by log of 5 plus 2. So x is equal to 1 plus 2 will give us 3 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 5 is the same thing as log of 2 base 5. And here we can factor out 3, right? So x is equal to 3 into 1 plus log of 2 base 5. And this right here is our answer. So we're not going to stop here. We're definitely going to verify this value of x just to make sure that it is the correct answer. So to verify, we're going to plug in the value of x back into our equation, and to see if the answer we get on the left hand side is going to be equal to what we get on the right hand side. So we go back to our question. 5 raised to the power x minus 2 equals 40. Okay, so 5 raised to the power x minus 2 is equal to 40. Right, let's see if this is true. So we have 5 raised to the power, our x is 3 into brackets 1 plus log of 2 base 5 minus 2. See if that's going to be equal to 40. So from here we can open up the brackets on the numerator, the power in the numerator, and this becomes 5 raised to the power 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5 all divided by 5 squared. I'm trying to see if this is going to be equal to 40. So from the law of indices, we know that a raised to the power m plus n is equal to a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So now this becomes 5 raised to the power 3 is 125 plus 5, multiplied by 5 raised to the power log of 2 raised to the power 3 base 5. 5 squared is 25. Okay, so now we have 125 times. We know that a raised to the power the log of b base a is equal to b. So this becomes 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 25. Now 25 here is 1, 25 here is 5. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. And if we multiply 5 times 8, that will give us 40. And we see that's exactly what we have on the right hand side as well. So therefore, this means that our value of x, which is 3 into brackets 1 plus log of 2 base 5, is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like this video, share the video. Let me know your comments or what you have to say in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and bye-bye.